Welcome back, viewers. So today we're going to be making a cute little, like a pumpkin or a fall craft from Dollar Tree things, and this is from Walmart. But I got two Dollar Tree bowls. So, and this was from Dollar Tree, some twine, rope, and then this is like a yard of fabric. It was like $2, something like that. And then I have a rubber band and a hair tie. You can use either one. And then I'm going to use some dollar store decorations, leaves, little thing, flowers. So nothing, just a cute little craft, a little easy craft. So we're going to go ahead and glue the bowls together. Don't have to be too perfect because you're going to wrap fabric around. We just want to keep them glued. Try to do this as fast as I can. Okay. So we glued them together. Super easy. And then we're going to put the fabric around it. Hi, Miss Bell. Just kind of pull it up. Just going to wrap it around there. That'll look super cute. And I'll hold it tight. And then I'm going to use a hair tie or a rubber band. I'm going to use a hair tie for this one. It doesn't really matter. See how it kind of makes the natural creases look really cute. I'll go around twice. And then I'm going to put it like this. I know the fabric side down. And then I cut off a little bit of piece of extra fabric. So that this is how we're going to make like a real pretty. So you put it over after you make it's like a ponytail. And then you push it down around. Get that like that. Then push down. Kind of push that up like that. Like you're going to hold it like that. Then get your rubber band. So like when we have like a clean finish. There. And it's super cute. So then I'm going to cut the excess material. It doesn't matter how you cut it because we're going to cover it up with flowers. So just cut that around there. Get it like as close to the edge as you can. And the underneath you want to cut as well. So we're going to have that pretty look to it. You can cut it kind of as close as you want. Just don't want it to pop out. We're not going to see that. So it doesn't really matter. Pop it up there. That way it has a little cute little top there. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to use this rope that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap it around there. Longer. And I'm gonna glue it a little bit just so it stays in the back. Just make that my back. I'll glue it there, that way I can tie it. Hi, Miss Bella. Are you helping Mommy today? Let's tie a little bow. I can tie a bow today. Whew. That did not come out the way I wanted it to. Okay, let's try again. What if you know what? I'm not going to do a bow. I'm just going to make it look a little rustic. Ah, burns. Okay, I think I like it like that. I decided to go and not do the bow. Actually, that has a little piece of tape. You can put a little piece of tape when you're done so it doesn't fray, because this one's going to fray. I miss Bella. A little Scotch tape. Put it around the end of there. That way it doesn't fray. There you go. Trash can. Okay, so now we have that. And I'm going to put some flowers on it. Oh, flowers. Found some cute ones. These I think I'm going to use. I like these. I like that color. I'm just going to put them around the front there. Starting to look pretty cute. Get that off. What do you think? I like that. That's pretty. That's pretty. That's the middle. Hold it there so it stays. I want it to stick out a little bit there. Look how cute that looks. I'm going to put some leaves on the back just to cover up in here where kind of stick them up in there. I love all these fall leaves from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I'm just putting them on there, and I'll put something over that so that it won't show. That way you're kind of covering up your fabric. one, some right in there. I think I'll put another one of these flowers in there. And there you have a fast, cute, cheap decoration. And you can kind of go through and make those. You can also try to, like, you can put a little, if you wanted to make it look like a pumpkin, you could do this if you wanted to. I found that outside. Or maybe it was driftwood. I think it was driftwood. But yeah, simple, easy, cute. 2 bowls and some fabric, $4, $5, $6. Yeah, so like 6 or 7, $6 probably. And you have a cheap, cute little, you could give this a gift, you could sell it, or just keep it for yourself for your fall decorations. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and turn those notifications on, see what I'll do next. You never know. Bye guys, thanks for watching.